Hi, today we're going to present our project called Math for Dummies by Minza, Michael, and Ethan. The topic is education. Our inspiration sparks from the hardworking teachers and tutors striving to help their young students learn and grow. We decided to choose the topic of education because we thought that, especially during this pandemic, many people might have a difficult time trying to find the most effective way to learn. We wanted to make a program that can help in generating simple math worksheets that can help young youth learn basic math. Our goals include make fun worksheets that are easily accessible, encourage and motivate kids to learn math, encourage kids to work on physical paper rather than electronics, make it convenient for teachers to make worksheets for their students, and finally, make a helpful program that is very user-friendly and convenient. Our program allows users to choose what type of worksheets they want: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or any of them combined. Users can also choose how many problems they want on the worksheet, maximum of 51, and the difficulty they would like the problems to be. The worksheets are also very easy to save and print. The program also provides an answer key that is also able to be printed and hidden. It also includes a user manual for anyone who has trouble using the program. This program is going to be open sourced if we ever plan to publish it, and it can help the coder with byte tricks we use in this program. On the right is an example of a worksheet we generated.
You're muted.
Oh, okay. Sorry about that. This is the demo. I'm going to show you four operations, which are subtraction, addition, and all of this. I'm just going to choose addition just for now for the demo. 40 problems to generate, and then the minimum and maximum the program can use. I'm going to choose 20 and 12. And if you don't know any of what this button does, you can click on help, and it will prompt you with a help menu. And you can read through what each button does. And all you have to do is to click generate, and it will prompt with you a problem sheet and an answer sheet. The range will never pass the two range that are given from the input. You can either show or hide the answer if you want to, if you're a student and you want to practice. Now all you have to do is to click save and then select a folder. I'm going to select this one, select folder. It will tell you where the file is output into and what the name of the file. In this case, my problem sheet is called SA something. I'm going to open it. Right now, you can see the sheet in HD, and you can print them out by pressing Ctrl P. You can print this worksheet. This is part of our core code. It's very important. It has all the algorithms to generate all those whole number and positive integer for the math problems. I used byte tricks below, which are the switches to tell the generator what operator to use. Like addition, only do the addition problems generate the addition problems, or generate addition multiplication, and so on. For the division generator, it's kind of special because I use a algebra trick, which is a times b divided by b will always give you a. So this will always give you a positive integer.
So some challenges that we faced while making this code is that at first we had a bit of trouble figuring out what we would make our program do. But from the start, we knew that we would like to do the topic of education. And we also had trouble figuring out which coding language we should use, since we had different experiences with different languages, because some of us did one language and other people did other languages. But at the end, we decided to use Python. And we also had a lot of bugs that came up during the making of the app, and it was challenging to debug and improve our program. But at the end, we fixed all the bugs, and finally, it was challenging to come up with new ideas that would make our program even better. and our ideal vision of the program. So since there was like a limited amount of time and we didn't have that much time, or we didn't have much time to add a lot of stuff, this is some stuff that we'd add to the program if we had more time. We would most likely add more choices other than the basic operations, like being able to make worksheets on graphing, conversion, telling the time, etc. And like before, make some worksheets for more advanced students and possibly make worksheets for different subjects. And we'd also try to make the worksheets kid friendly for the worksheets that are meant for kids. And we could by adding like cool pictures, cartoons, and color. And also we would maybe add it so maybe allow it so you could add more problems to the worksheets. So instead of 51 problems, you could add more than that. And also we would make sure that it works on Linux OS, Windows OS, and Mac OS. Thank you for listening, and you could ask any questions now.
So if the judges have any questions, now is the time to ask.
Okay, this is Robert. I have one. How did you test and verify that your program was running properly? Gave always the correct answers.
Everything is done with the algorithm I showed you. I can show you again right now, right here. It's all done with Python code, and all the Python code should give you like if you add them together, it should be accurate. It should and we already tested multiple times and many times, and we check the answer. It's always accurate.
So your testing was all manual then and visual verification, not
And
automated?
we check the code too. We check the code.
Okay. Thank you.
Yep, no problem.
Hello, this is Judge Charlie. I have one question, So do you have any step level, like difficulty level for the program to be tested? Because the student might be very boring the same test, right? You might make some progress on the difficulties.
Everything is generated, like automatic, randomly generated. For the difficulty, you can choose your own range. Like right here, you can put it like 99 to like 999, and you can put like a multiplication or and addition, and then you generate. It's going to be harder. It's going to give you harder problems, and for the questions, it's going to give you harder problems. See, the numbers are bigger. The difficulty are adjusted by the numbers given by the min and the max.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I have a question. This is Judge Eric. So I know that like a big part of your like appeal of this program is like it makes worksheets like in person on paper. But like how would this be different from like the large like databases of educational material? Like, there's a ton of there's a lot of content already out there. So how would this be like more appealing?
We checked out many websites that's similar to our app, and we found that the websites are like the random generating websites are really hard to like navigate and not really user friendly. So when you see our demo, we can like the instructions are really clear and it's really easy to use and user friendly for all ages, and it'll allow teachers to easily make worksheets.
All right, thank you, Team 1, for that wonderful presentation. And next up, we have